You want to make friends in English, but you freeze. You don't know what to say. That happened to me too.
But then Emma taught me 7 magic phrases.
And today, we're giving all of them to you. Let's go.
You had the perfect chance to make a new friend, but you said nothing. Why? Because you didn't know what to say in English.
That happened to me so many times. I just smiled and walked away.
Not anymore. Today, we are giving you the exact English phrases you need to make friends in any situation, anywhere in the world. Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Welcome to Talk Nora, your daily English practice channel.
Making friends in English is one of the most useful things you can learn. It helps you at school, at work, when you travel, everywhere.
And it's not as hard as you think. You just need a few simple phrases.
Before we start, we have a quick question for you. Write your answer in the comments right now. Do you find it easy or difficult to start a conversation in English? Easy or difficult? Tell us below.
We read every comment. We really do.
And if you want to learn English every day with us, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, let's learn English. Okay, let's start with our key phrases for today. I'll teach you 7 amazing phrases, slowly and clearly. Listen, repeat, and learn.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Phrase number 1. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm... This is how you introduce yourself to someone new. It's polite, friendly, and very natural. Repeat after me. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Jack. Oh, that feels good.
Perfect. Let's use it in sentences. Present. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma. Past. Last week, I said, Hi, I don't think we've met. Future. At the party tonight, I'll say, Hi, I don't think we've met. Phrase number 2. What do you do? This is how you ask someone about their job or study. It's one of the most common phrases in English conversation for beginners. Repeat after me. What do you do?
What do you do? Easy.
Now in sentences. Present. I ask new people, what do you do? Past. She asked me, what do you do? Future. I'll ask her, what do you do? Phrase number 3, and wait, this next one is the most useful phrase of the day. I'm also into that. Into means you like something a lot. When someone says they love music, and you love music too, you say, I'm also into that. This phrase builds connections instantly. Repeat after me. I'm also into that.
I'm also into that. I love this one.
Great. Present. When she talks about cooking, I say, I'm also into that. Past. He said he loves movies, and I said, I'm also into that. Future. If she mentions hiking, I'll say, I'm also into that. Okay, pause the video right now and practice with us. Say all 3 phrases out loud. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm... What do you do? I'm also into that.
Did you do it? Great job. Keep going.
Phrase number 4. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? This is how you invite someone to spend time together. Grab a coffee means to have a coffee casually. It's friendly and not too serious. Repeat after me. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Got it.
Perfect correction, Jack. This happens to every English learner. Don't worry. Present. I ask new people, would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Past. I asked my new coworker, would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Future. I'll ask her, would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Phrase number 5. It was so nice meeting you. You say this when you say goodbye to someone you just met. It's warm, polite, and it leaves a great impression. Repeat after me. It was so nice meeting you.
It was so nice meeting you.
Beautiful. And phrase number 6, can I get your number? Or let's connect on Instagram. This is how you stay in touch after meeting someone. You can say the first one for a phone number or the second for social media. Repeat after me. Can I get your number?
Can I get your number? That one sounds a little scary.
It's not scary at all. It's very normal in English. Can I get your number? Friendly, direct, perfectly polite. And our final phrase, phrase number 7, I really enjoyed talking with you. This phrase is wonderful. It tells the other person that the conversation was special. It makes them happy and they remember you. Repeat after me. I really enjoyed talking with you.
I really enjoyed talking with you. I actually mean that, Emma.
Thank you, Jack. That's so sweet. Okay, those are your 7 phrases. Let's speak English confidently with all of them in real conversations now. Now, let's practice these phrases in real life. This is where your daily English practice really happens, in real conversations, in real places. You're going to watch Jack and me use every phrase naturally. Listen carefully and learn. Now, scene 1. Emma and Jack are at a new cooking class. Emma meets someone new. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Oh, hi. I'm Mia. Is this your first class here?
Yes, it's my first time. I'm so excited. What do you do, Mia? Do you cook a lot at home?
I try. I'm actually a nurse, so I don't have much time, but I love learning new recipes.
Oh, I'm also into that. I love trying new recipes every weekend.
Really? That's so cool. What kind of food do you like to make?
Mostly Italian food. Pasta, pizza, the classics.
Me too. Oh, I think class is starting, but would you like to grab a coffee sometime and share recipes?
I would love that. Can I get your number?
Of course. Here you go.
It was so nice meeting you, Mia.
You too, Emma. See you next week.
Did you hear all our phrases? Let's check. Repeat after me. Hi, I don't think we've met. What do you do? I'm also into that. Would you like to grab a coffee? Can I get your number? It was so nice meeting you.
Every single one. Beautiful.
Now, scene 2. Jack starts a new job. He meets a colleague named Sam at the coffee machine.
Hi. I don't think we've met. I'm Jack. I just started this week.
Oh, welcome. I'm Sam. How are you finding it so far?
It's great, thank you. A little nervous, but good. What do you do here, Sam?
I'm on the marketing team. We work on campaigns and social media. What about you?
I'm in product design. I love it. Are you into design at all?
Actually, I'm also into that. I studied graphic design before I moved into marketing.
No way. That's amazing. I'd love to talk more about that. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Maybe this Friday?
That sounds perfect. Let's connect on Instagram too. I post a lot of design stuff.
Great idea. It was so nice meeting you, Sam.
You too, Jack. I really enjoyed talking with you already. See you around.
Did you hear that, Emma? I used all the phrases perfectly.
You did. Well, almost. You said no way. Do you know what that means?
No way means I don't want to?
Not exactly. In this context, no way is an informal expression of surprise, like, really? I can't believe it. It's very common in casual English conversation. Repeat after me. No way.
No way. I love it.
The next scene is something that happens to every English learner. Don't miss this. Now, scene 3. Emma is at a weekend park event. She sees someone sitting alone reading a book. She decides to make a new friend. Hi, sorry to bother you. I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Oh, hi. Not at all. I'm Leo. Are you here for the event?
Yes, my first time here. What do you do, Leo? Do you come here often?
I work in tech, but on weekends I love coming here to read and just relax. I'm also into photography.
Oh, I'm also into that. I just got a new camera last month and I've been learning.
Really? That's amazing. What kind of photos do you take?
Mostly nature and food photos. I'm still a beginner, but I really enjoy it.
Same here. I really enjoyed talking with you, Emma. This was unexpected, but really nice.
Me too. Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? There's a great cafe just around the corner.
I'd love that. Can I get your number?
Of course. It was so nice meeting you, Leo. I hope to see you again soon.
Same here, Emma. Take care.
And that is how you make a friend in English, in a park with a stranger in just a few minutes.
I was a little scared the first time I tried this, but with the right phrases, it works.
Every time. That's why we practice daily English, so it becomes natural and easy. Amazing work, everyone. Let's do a fast recap of the most important phrases from today. Repeat every one after me. Let's go.
Ready.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm your name.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Jack.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm also into that.
I'm also into that.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
It was so nice meeting you.
It was so nice meeting you.
I really enjoyed talking with you.
I really enjoyed talking with you.
Perfect. You are making amazing progress. Now, our second question for you today. Write your answer in the comments.
Have you ever tried to make a friend in English? What did you say? Or what do you wish you had said?
Tell us your story. We love reading about your real experiences. Every comment helps you learn, and it helps others too. Wow, what a lesson today. I feel like I could walk up to anyone now and start a conversation.
That is exactly how we want you to feel. Remember, the phrases are simple. The key is to use them. Practice with a friend, practice in the mirror, practice with us every day right here.
And speaking of practice, if this video helped you today, please give it a like. It only takes 1 second, but it helps us reach more English learners around the world.
If you're new here, subscribe. We post new English conversations and vocabulary lessons every week. We are so happy you found us.
And share this video with someone who is learning English, maybe a friend, a family member, someone who would love these phrases too.
Before we go, here's something exciting. Next time, we're going to teach you how to make small talk in English so you always know what to say, even with strangers. You will never feel awkward in a conversation again.
I really need that one, Emma.
Me too, honestly. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.